These how to 1 minute will show you how to make your Wix website responsive. Wix provide total 2 responsive options to make your website responsive. One is desktop and another is mobile. So as you can see, my website looks perfect on web version. Now let's make this website responsive for mobile version. So all you have to do is select switch to mobile, and then you will see the mobile version. And customizing your Wix website for mobile version is very easy process. Just select the content that you want to make responsive, and you can drag the content like this, and you can change the position. You can also change the size to make it perfect for mobile device. And for example, I want to hide or delete these order your love category level from mobile device. So I'm going to selecting this level and clicking on hide element. Okay, as you can see, the element has been hidden now. And scroll down, and also I want to delete this GIF from mobile version. And scrolling down, and just select the element or part that you want to resize or hide, and you can easily edit the element. So I want to change this text alignment. So it's really very easy process to make your Wix website responsive for mobile version. After customizing, make sure to click on publish, and this is how we can make our Wix website responsive. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.